flying chipmunk in the air? Nope, I never destroyed a flying chipmunk in the air with one perk on the one leg. I think I have. Today is the first time because one's about to be flying over the sky. Whee! Hey, come back here, chipmunk! I love you. I love you, chipmunk. I love you, chipmunk. I love you. Bah! Oh no, it's gonna land. It's gonna explode. Bah! Ass Bluebird. Okay, let's get started with the question. And King Pig leaves him kings. Hey, you know I heard that. I'm right up here, you know, below bird. Pick. Okay, I'm not gonna be in any more Ask Bluebird episodes. Okay, questions. Bluebird, have you ever had a screaming rainbow attack you? You already told me that. No, a falling rainbow. Oh, a falling rainbow? Rainbow falling straightly. Yay, a rainbow is coming near me straightly. Wait, straightly? Ah! More questions. When I go to the hospital, get more questions. Well, I'm gone. Okay, I'm back from the hospital. More questions! Hey, Bluebird, have you ever met the president bird of Birdland? Nope. The president bird lives in New York, Cali. Just kidding. Redbird. Wait, not Redbird. I can't remember. It's just I think it's yeah, it's Redbird's dad. He's up here. He lives right across the like he died today because somebody shot him when he was at work. Somebody shot him with a gun. So we have to pick a new one. Oh, and we're gonna vote today. Yay!